Man, I really hate the Chief 2002. What should I do to him? I just got to idea. I will get the Chief 2002 arrested. Ha 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 ha.
Oh hi, what's up dude?
I have one question. Do you hate the Chief 2002?
Oh hell yeah, he makes grounded videos out of me.
I planned this. How about if you and me get the Chief 2002 arrested?
Good idea. Ha 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 ha.
What the? Who littered this?
You're under arrest for littering the burger. Get in the police car right now.
I can't believe I got arrested for nothing.
Wait a holy fucking minute, it was Cody and Brian. They're so gonna page you.
Brian and Cody, how dare you get me arrested? That's it, go home right now.
Oh Brian, how dare you get the HEF 2002 arrested? Taps it, you're grounded for 99 months. Go to your room now. Cat, how dare you get the HEF 2002 arrested? Taps it, you're grounded for 99 months. Go to your room now.